In this video, we're going to be solving exercise 2 of Pitman Shorthand. So we're having these characters here. So what we need to do, we need to look at these characters individually, and then we have to recognize them and write the names of these characters. So for example, if on the first line we have this character here, so we need to recognize this character and write the name of this character. So this character is called P, so we will write P here like this. So let's take the next one. This is called as B, so we will write B. So this is how we need to solve this exercise. So let's proceed. This is T, this is D, this is Ch or Ch, this is J, this is K, this is G, this is Way, this is Ye, this one is He, this is Hey again, which is the second way of writing the Hey character. Then this is, we have R. Alright, so we are done with the first line. Let's move to the second line. This one is R, this is P, this is Hey, this is D, this is Hey again. Then we have this B, this is Ye, this is T, this is Ch, this is R, this is K, this is J, then we have this G character. Alright, so we're done with the second line. Let's move to the third line. This is F, this is V, this is it, this is the, then we have this S, and then we have this Z, then this is ish, and then this is Z, this is M, this is N, this is ing, this is L, and then we have this R. Okay, so we're done with this third line. Let's move to the fourth line. So this one is R, this is M, this is L, this is V, this is it, this is ing, this is Z, this is M, this is V, this is Z, this is F, then this is ish, then we have this R. Alright, we're done with the fourth line. Let's move to the fifth line. This one is B, this one is it, this is R, this is M, this is D, then we have this J, then this is R, then this is, we have this S, then this is N, this is ish, this is Z, then this is T, then we have this G character. Alright, so we are done with the fifth line. Let's move to the sixth line. Alright, so this one is P, this is G, this is He, this is F, this one is Way, this is Ch, this is He, this is G, this one is Ye, this one is N, this one is Way, this is K, then we have this T. So we're done with the sixth line. Let's move to the seventh line. This one is ish, this one is F, this is S, this is it, this is M, this is N, this is V, this is Z, then we have this it, then we have this Z, then we have this ing, then there is L, then we have this R. Alright, we're done with the seventh one. Let's move to the eighth one. This is T, this is G, this is D, this is K, then we have this P, then there is J, then B, then J, then we have He, then we have He again, which is the second way of writing the He character, then we have this Way, then there is Ye, then we have this final R. Alright, so that was all about it. See you in the next video.